organized to biodiversity in Sumatera and Kalimantan. So my name is Dinara Salsabila, and alongside me are Linda, Azrina, and Ada. And each of us will take turn presenting different parts of our findings. Let's get start with the background of this issue. So, deforestation in Sumatra and Kalimantan driven by palm oil extraction. Deforestation ini, while there's been a recent slowdown, but the impacts remain serious. So, especially for palm oil plantation remains severe. This deforestation causing biodiversity loss, such as orangutans, tigers, and elephants. So, in addition, we see high carbon emissions and in many cases, the right of igneous communities are violated. So, this shows that forest conservation isn't just an environmental issue, but it has also social and climate-related consequences. And you can see the graph on the screen that shows the increase in the conversion of forest land to palm oil plantation, which continues to increase every year. Now, to better understand public awareness, a scientific perspective on this topic, we conducted a study using surveys and literature review. Now, Linda will explain the research methods and public awareness in more detail.
Thank you for Cinara. Yang kita tahu ya, buat the issue, we asked to a combination of quantitative and qualitative methods. For the qualitative part, we conducted a questionnaire with
implementation, what to remind is often small and disconnect, making it harder for species to move our beds. 3. Extinction. Some species may disappear entirely if their habitat is gone. 4. Ecosystem imbalance. Everything in nature is connected. If one species is lost, it can affect many others and disrupt the whole system. 3. Like the International Council on Climate Transportation atau ICCT also confirmed that plantation expansions has led to ecological imbalance, especially when wetlands are involved. So the issue is not just about terrestrial or animals; it's about the entire system of life by nature of balance.
Okay, public support sustainable land as hybrid with other restoration, preparation law, environment, and community involvement. This slide shows us the deforestation hotspot in Indonesia, particularly in Sumatra and Kalimantan. This area has been heavily affected by forest conservation, mainly driven by the expansion of palm oil plantation. As you can see, the darker region on the map indicate the most critical zone, where forest cover has been reduced significantly over the past years. Understanding this hotspot help us see the seasonal and geographic pattern of the problem. Next slide. Forest conservation different by economic benefit of palm oil, but there's also public factor about biodiversity and ecosystem. Rivals conflict between economic growth and environmental sustainability. Respondents support social balancing boost interest. Let's talk about the bigger picture. Forest conservation is largely driven by economic interest. Palm oil is a profitable industry and its contribution to the economy, both locally and nationally. But based on our research, there are clear public concern about the environmental costs. People believe that forested area more than just land. There are vital ecosystem and support biodiversity, regular climate, and provide livelihood for key host communities. This creates a conflict between economic growth and environmental sustainable and public support solution that try to balance both. Reducing degradation for planted instead of clearing new forests and encouraging development is not about stopping development. It's about making smart choices to return to nature and people. Thank you.
So guys, if you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. Your hands. Okay, Kak.
Yes. How can consumer, especially those outside Indonesia, contribute to reduce deforestation
for the answer.
Please waiting.
Wait a minute. Yes. So for Enha's questions, Linda will answer for you.
Sebelumnya itu pertanyaan yang bagus ya. Slow down ini pertanyaan yang bagus soalnya Inka nanya deforestation has lowered the palm oil production is increasing. How is it possible and if it's suitable in the long term? Itu pertanyaannya. The slowdown in deforestation is partly due to stricter regulation like Indonesia moratorium on new palm oil permits and adoption of sustainable practice such using degraded land instead of forest. However, increased production is achieved through yield improvements like better seeds and farming techniques, not just land expansion.
Jadi karena produksinya meningkat sedangkan deforestasinya tidak terlalu tinggi itu karena jadi pengoptimalan lahan. Jadi meningkat itu karena si teknologi untuk menghasilkan palm oilnya itu sudah maju, jadi tidak hanya dengan keluasan lahan. Is that enough? Thank you. So for next questions, Azrina will answer next question.
Consumers play a powerful role in driving demand for sustainable palm oil. Here's how they can help. 1. Reduce consumption. Many processed foods, cosmetics, and biofuels contain palm oil. Opting for alternatives or reductions of as lowers demand. 2. Support advocacy campaigns, preserve confidence and governments via petitions, web campaigns, or social media to adopt deforestation-free supply chains.
So guys, for the conclusions, agreement on directive to biodiversity and ecosystem public supports balanced solutions, which is economic development and environmental protections to finding conform patterns in recent studies. For recommendation from a sustainable palm oil practice that strengthen environmental policies and enforcement involve indigenous and local communities in forest management, raise public awareness to education and campaigns, encourage deforestation and habitat restoration programs. So that's from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam